Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and this is going to be a real short video just demonstrating where you can monitor your positions, your orders, account history, account balance, and all the balances really related to your account on the TradeStation platform. So you have one of two ways of opening this up. In my opinion, the easiest way is just do the app section right here, and then you can go over to TradeManager. Your other option is through File, New Application, and then going down to the same thing, TradeManager. So as you can see here, we do already have one order. Let's actually go ahead and just place a new order real quick. To do this, I'm going to just open up the trading matrix here, and let's just go ahead and let's buy at the market. So as you can see, and I just want to show you in real time how this does update. We currently have one position, and this is going to be, well, it was a market order, and we currently have one filled quantity. Let's just do this again for the same symbol. I'm going to just buy at market here. Click OK. And there we go. Now we have we're too long on the ESU19. So as you can see, all blues are represented by your buys or your longs, and all red orders are going to be represented by shorts or your sells. So this is going to be the order section, and of course you can expand this little section by just left clicking and dragging and holding along the different edges of your little application here, as you can see, and you can expand and contract as you need. And there's quite a few different columns here to keep note of, and they're all pretty important. So let's just take a look. So this screen right here, and you'll notice real quick before we do move on, there's actually several different tabs on the bottom left-hand corner here where you can filter through. This one is going to be the orders tab. So this is pretty much just going to show you any recent orders that you have. It's going to show you the time you were entered, the time it filled and canceled. It's going to give you your symbol. If you're trading options or spreads, it's going to show you your spread type. Then it's going to show the type, so either buy or sell, quantity filled if you're using a specific type of orders, or quantity left. It's going to show you the order type that you used, the price you were filled at, the status of your fill, and then it's just going to, if you have a live trading data, I'm just using demo here, but it's going to show you trade route, group name, triggers, and advanced order types. You will get your order number, your account number, the originator number, the commission that was taken out of this trade, and then the expiration date for the contract. Continuing on and on to the next tab here, we do have the average price. So this is just going to give you your average price of your current orders. Continuing on, we do have stage orders, and in this current circumstance, I don't have any stage orders. This is going to be for more of those advanced order types, maybe like brackets or OCO, OSO. As you can see, and what will happen is pretty much your initial order will get filled, and then your stage orders, quote unquote, and your like OCO, these will be populated here. I don't have it in this circumstance, but as you can see, it will give you a breakdown of the order types they belong to, and then your stop offset, limit, or limit offset levels. And then when they get filled, those will continue out. You'll probably see them under orders as well, but this is just going to be specifically for those orders that attach to those advanced order types. Continuing on, this is just going to show you all your positions here. So as you can see, I am currently long 1 on the ESU9, and we can break that down. It'll show both my orders here. It's going to give me the last trade price, the last bid price, the last ask price. We have the P&L on this position, your open P&L. You have it in percentage as well. It's going to show you the total cost and relevance to your account, the market relevance or the market value and relevance to your account, and then it's going to show you again your contract date and your expiration date. Continuing on, this is more strategy orders. Nothing really to consider in this section. Again, different things can pop up here depending on the different order types that you use and the different strategies that you use. I don't want to get too much into this because I do want to keep this video very brief for the most part. Again, we'll create a video on advanced strategies and advanced orders. Same thing with this section here, strategy positions. Going to be similar to the staged orders, but this is going to be for custom created strategies or the built-in strategies on this platform. Finally, what a lot of people are probably caring about is account balance and things of that nature. Now, this is a demo account. Please keep that in mind. So It's going to be a little bit different for me here, but as you can see, this is broken down by the different asset classes that are provided on TradeStation. Of course, we are a futures broker, so we're going to be focused on the futures section here. That being said, TradeStation does have the possibility for all these different asset classes. So for those of you that aren't futures traders, you may want to focus on these other sections here. Or if you have different accounts, you can focus on each one individually, or trading the different asset classes are all broken down by their each individual columns here. Now, as you can see, there's these white horizontal lines. These can actually be expanded and contracted, so you get a bit more information on that specific section that you're after. As you can see here, this is our account specifically just for futures, and everything's broken down specifically for futures. So, of course, we had our beginning of the day account balance, of our account equity. We do have the currency type, conversion factors, things of that nature. It'll tell you your real account balance on an actual live account. Being that we're on demo, we pretty much have unlimited, or pretty much close to 1 million, as you can see here. This is obviously going to differentiate between customers and your own different account balance, but you can actually see here under real time, this is going to give us our most accurate account balance at that time. Same thing with equity, purchasing power, and the margins in our account as well. And even with profits and losses down here, you can expand them and it'll show you the profits and losses for specific symbols or specific positions that you have. One other thing I would like to show you is the messages tab. This is pretty much just going to give you messages throughout the entire platform. So as you can see, anytime you either cancel an order, disconnect from the server, you receive an order, something's filled, the market closes, whatever the case may be, all of your messages will populate here. And this is actually probably a really good way to keep track of your orders and just different messages that come throughout the platform. If you do set up alarms for yourself, these will be filled here as well. Just something to keep in mind. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. Nothing too crazy, just wanted to show you exactly where you can monitor your orders, positions, account balance, and account history. I hope this video helps. If you do have any questions, please head over to our community forum. It's linked in the description below. If you're interested in our commissions and margins that we offer, or even opening up an account, that'll also be linked in the description, so check those out. Again, thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful.